Frustrated by the u2ddisk Library DLL error causing Seagate Multimedia orchestration to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. As we get into the manual process for u2ddisk library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the u2ddisk library, a specialized user-to-disk u2d synchronization module. Frequently associated with localized backup tools for external storage hardware, it manages unmanaged block-level data transfer manifests and coordinates the data link for high-speed disk mirroring. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. u2ddisk is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the u2ddisk library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for u2ddisk Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes u2ddisk library documentation. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing u2ddisk library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.